Hi everyone, today I want to talk about very interesting topic. It's a creation of a consistent character in MidJourney. How we can do that? For this, we have two kinds of parameter. It's CREF. This means usage of an image as a reference, and also a dash dash CW. This is the weight of a character. So how much of a character will be used as a reference in your generated image. It can be a number from 0 to 100. When the 0 is the least amount of character used, 100 is the biggest amount. So let's try it. First of all, we need an image to use as a reference. I created it by MidJourney as well. And to do that, we can easily drag and drop an image here, send it to MidJourney by pressing enter. And now the next step is writing a prompt. Now we can add a prompt here. For this, we type /imagine as usually and add a prompt here. And now let's add shot of a film. First parameter, add dash CREF. And now we need to open this picture and copy a link. And then we need to paste this link here. Second parameter is dash dash CW for a character. And let's try to use 100, which is maximum. And to repeat this process 3 times, I can type dash dash, repeat 3. It will go through this prompt 3 times for me and create 12 pictures as well. And here is our result. It created the same character but younger. And now let's rewrite this prompt and write young woman. And here is our result. This is just the same person we can make with any character. So let's use this feature on a cartoon character. So for example, I have this mouse right here, and let's try to use it as a reference. And let's now type our prompt here. It's a brave cartoon mouse, backpack on, Scotty's through towering grass, eyes lemon as he heads toward glowing distant mountains. Copy a link, use it as a reference. For example, 100%. Ask it to do it 2 times. Here is our result, the same guy in different conditions. You can use this feature to create cartoons or movies. Try it and write me your comments and send me what you came up with. See you in the next video.